The HP error code Ebs00p0004 typically indicates a potential hardware issue with the printer. Common causes of this error code include loose or poorly connected physical components, outdated graphic drivers, and overheating issues. To resolve the problem, it is essential to ensure that all physical components are securely connected, with no loose parts. Additionally, keeping the graphic drivers up to date is crucial, as outdated drivers can cause malfunctions. This can be achieved by visiting the HP official website to download the latest updates compatible with the printer's hardware. To update the drivers, simply click on the Start button, type in Device Manager, select the Printer section, and choose Update Drivers to run the update process. It is also important to address any overheating issues, as they can cause system instability. This involves ensuring that the printer's internal components are clean and free from dust and debris, allowing for proper functioning and preventing future errors.